Hey everyone, no dial tone on your VTech cordless phone, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you simple troubleshooting steps to fix it fast. Let's get started. The telephone line cord is not securely connected to the base or wall jack. The headset is out of range from the base station. The battery is depleted or improperly installed. Radio interference from nearby electronic devices disrupt the signal. The phone line or service provider may be experiencing issues. The base station power supply is disconnected or plugged into a faulty outlet. Fix 1. Check phone line connection. Ensure the telephone line cord is securely plugged into both the wall jack and the base of the phone. Replace the cord if it appears damaged. Unplug the telephone line cord from the wall jack and the base of the phone. Inspect the cord for any visible damage or wear. Reconnect the telephone line cord securely to both the wall jack and the base. Ensure that the connection is snug and that there are no loose ends. Test the phone to see if a dial tone is present. Fix to verify power supply. Confirm that the base station is plugged into a working power outlet and the indicator light is on. Ensure the power adapter is firmly connected to the phone base and a working electrical outlet. Check if the outlet has a power by plugging in another device like a lamp to confirm it works. Inspect the power cord for any visible damage or wear. If the outlet and cord are fine, try plugging the base into a different outlet. Confirm that the indicator light on the base is illuminated, showing it has power. Fix 3. Reset the phone. Resetting a VTech cordless phone can help resolve various issues by restoring it to its original factory settings. It clears software glitches, incorrect configuration, or connection problems, ensuring the phone functions properly. Disconnect the base from power and the telephone jack. Remove the headset battery, wait for 5 minutes, then reconnect everything and reinstall the battery. Fix 4. Reduce interference. Move the base away from electronic devices like microwave routers or metal objects that may disrupt signals. Reducing interference is important because electronic devices and metal objects can disrupt the signal between the VTech cordless phone's base and handset, leading to issues like dropped calls or no dial tone. Fix 5. Test with another phone. Connect a different phone to the same line to determine if the issue is with your VTech phone or the phone line itself. Disconnect your VTech phone from the telephone line. Connect a different phone directly to the same wall jack using the same telephone code. Check if the other phone has a dial tone. If there is a no dial tone, the issue is likely with the phone line or service provider. If the other phone works, the problem with your VTech cordless phone. Fix 6. Contact customer support. If none of these steps work, reach out to VTech customer support for further assistance. You might need to replace the cordless phone. Phone support. Call 800-595-9511 for technical support. Live chat. Access the live chat portal on their support website for immediate assistance. Remote support. Connect to a technician for a remote help through their support site. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.